A good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome again to the topic of indices. We are still going to apply the concept of the laws of indices. So yesterday in our last lesson, we did look at these laws where we multiplied the numbers with the same base, and we did add the powers. When we divided, we subtracted the powers, and we had this term with two powers. We have to multiply with the power inside, and also we applied this law where we stated that this number on top is the power, and the number at the bottom is the rod. So we are still continuing with our laws. Now today let's look at about these laws about indices. So we have this law. We say x to the power minus a. How do we solve a number when the power is negative? So the only way we can simplify that is simply to find the reciprocal, so that we'll be able to remove this negative power. Example, when we have 2 to the power minus 3. For us to eradicate this negative, here it will be 2 to the power 3, which gives us 1 over 8. So that's how we simplify when the power is negative. Now let us look at when we have another different number. Here simply the base was 1, but let's look if it is a fraction. For example, we have 2 over 3 raised to a power negative 2. How do we simplify that? The concept is still the same, but it's only that we have a number which is now not 1. So here we simply find the reciprocal. The 3 goes on top and 2 at the bottom. So it will be 3 over 2 to the power. It now becomes a positive 2. So then we simplify. 3 to the power 2 gives us 9. 2 to the power 2 gives us 4. But in mathematics, we do not have to leave out a mess like that. We change it to a mixed fraction. Right? We move on to the this law. Whenever a number is raised to the power 0, the answer will be equals to 1. All numbers raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. But let us be careful. When a number is raised to a power like this, here the answer is only that the number is raised to the power, but the negative is not affected. So our answer here will give us a negative. For example, if we have a negative 3 to the power 0, our answer here will be equals to a negative 1. So we have to be careful on that. But when the negative is inside the bracket, meaning say the bracket is affected. For example, if the negative 3 here is inside the bracket raised to the power 0, this answer is, or this 0 is both affecting the negative and 3. So the answer here will be a 1. So this gives us this is the end of our lesson. We'll meet in the next lesson where we'll be applying the laws of